Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Bus. So we are starting with class 8 topic which is comparing quantities. I am starting with exercise 8.2 and as far as the exercise 8.1 is concerned we have already taken. So in exercise 8.2 I am starting with question number 1. So we'll just read out the question. The question is, a man got a 10% increase in his salary. If his new salary is 1,54,000, find his original salary. So here what is exactly the question and how to solve it? What we will do is here, so we'll just assume you can say there are two ways. Here we can say first of all the new salary is, how much is this new salary? New salary is rupees, this is 1,54,000, fine. And how much is the increase percent? Increase percent is 10%. So there are two ways of solving. Either you assume original salary is 100 rupees. Okay, so 10% increase means 10 rupees is increase on 100. So here if we take let original salary is equal to rupees 100. So increase percent is 10% means 10 rupees is increase over it. This is the increase amount, okay, not in percent. Percent is 10%. So if salary is rupees 100, increase is 10 rupees. So what is new salary going to be? New salary is, we'll add, so rupees 100 plus 10, this gives us 110. So 110 is a new salary. Okay, this is new salary. So here we can find using unitary method. So if new salary is rupees 100, then how much is the original salary? Original salary is rupees 110. New salary is 110. Okay, this is a mistake. So because new salary there is after increase. If it is 110, then your original salary is rupees 100. Fine. So if new salary is rupees 1, then how much is original salary? That is going to be 100 upon 110. And new salary we have been given, this is 1,54,000. So we'll just put the value, 1,54,000. We'll put the value. So this becomes 100 upon 110 into 1,54,000. Fine. Rest is the solution. 10 get cancelled and here we get this is 14,000 and the salary is 1,40,000. So this is your original salary. Original salary. So here what we will do, we'll write it in the box. Okay. Now what is the alternate method of the same question? What is the alternate method? In case of alternate method, what we do, we assume the salary, let original salary be X rupees. We are taking it as X. So increase percent is how much? Increase percent is 10%. So how much is the increase? So increase is 10% of X. This is the increase, that is 10 upon 100 of is multiply. So this gives us X upon 10. This is the increase. Okay, this is the increase. So according to the question, if you add the original salary and the increase amount, then you get this is a new salary. Though I have not mentioned, but you must mention, okay, because I have already discussed this question. So I'm not repeating all, but that this has to be somewhere written, that this is a new salary. This has to be somewhere written, okay. So now we have to simplify this equation. We'll take 10 as LCM. So this is 10x plus x. This is 1,54,000. Fine. So this becomes 11x upon 10 is equal to 1,54,000. So we'll simplify it further. So we'll just simplify. What we will do, 11 by 10, that will be shifted on the right side and x will be kept on the left side. So x go, you just keep it here and this is 1,54,000 and this is into 10 by 11. So once you simplify, we get 14,000. Hence the original salary means the salary before. So original salary is, how much was the original salary? Original salary was 1,40,000 rupees. So this way we can conclude our answer. So I hope you have understood this question, and both ways and whichever way you find. But generally what I tell my students that you start with this way because this is your progressive way. But if the students are not getting, they find this way easier, so they can solve the question by this method also. Okay. Now in continuation, we'll take second question. What is the second question about? Now here in second question, it says that on Sunday, 8:45 people went to the zoo. Fine. How many people went to the zoo? 8:45. So 8:45 people went to the zoo. On Monday, only 169 people went to the zoo. Monday we had only 169, Sunday we had 8:45. So what is the percentage decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? So first of all, we'll just write the detail. On Sunday, we were having 8:45 people visiting, and on Monday, 169 people were visiting the zoo. So we'll just write here number of people visiting here. Number of people visiting the zoo on Sunday. So how many people were visiting the zoo? 8:45 people were visiting. Fine. These many people were visiting the zoo. So number of people visiting the zoo on Monday. So 169 people visiting on Monday. So how much is the decrease? We'll just subtract. So this is 15 minus 9 is 6, 13 minus 6 is 7, and this gives us 676. So these many people, they visited the zoo. Okay. So the next is here, we have to find the decrease. So this happens, this is the decrease. So we will write that this is the decrease in the number of people. Decrease. Okay, this is a decrease. Decrease in the strength. These many people, that was a shortfall. Okay. Now we have to find the decrease percent. Whenever, if in place of decrease or increase, whatever it is, okay, whether he's asking increase or he's asking decrease, what we do, we write the decrease and we write the original, that is a base number of people, or the original, or the original strength, means initially how many people were going, and into 100. So if this question is about increase also, we would also use the same formula. So this is 676 is the decrease, and initially 845 people were visiting. So what is the strength? So here we have to simplify. So we'll just see what can be done. I'm cancelling by 5, and this is 1, this is 6, and this is 9. And if you see, this is divisible. And okay, if you are not sure, we can just try 16 4s are 64, and this is completely divided. So this gives, so here our decrease is 80%. So 80% footfall has been decreased. So here decrease percent. So decrease percent is 80%. So this is our answer. So I hope this question first and second is clear to you, and I'll take the other questions in my next video. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you.